Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a basic calculator website using Chatgpt. You know, Chatgpt is a number one AI tools right now in the world. It's absolutely free. So at first, I'm going to Visual Studio Code. Then going to here, you need to create an HTML index dot HTML, and again SCRI script.js, then again style.style style.css. Then I'm going to chat GPT. Then hey, right, hey, give me a basic calculator app put with HTML CSS. Just wait few seconds. Chat GPT write full code for us in 1 or 2 minutes. Then copy HTML code, go to Visual Studio, then paste here, then again go to Chatgpt, then style.css copy, then style.css, then paste here, then again go to here, then copy, then script.js, just paste. We need to save all, just save. Save. Now I run a default browser. Just open in browser. Wow, you see this is a basic calculator. I create only 1 or 2 minutes. Just 10 into 10. You can see 100. It is 100% correct. Then 18 minus 14. You can see this is the answer 14, then into 3, 120. You can see all answer is correct. So if you want to more video about this topic, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you. See you next time.